Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get refund from Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To start the refund process, log into your Hostinger H panel. You can also visit Google and search for Hostinger Refund Policy. Click on the first link that appears. It will take you to Hostinger's official refund policy page, where you can read all the details about which services are refundable and within what time frame. Once you're ready to request a refund, go back to your Hostinger H panel and click on Billing from the left side menu. Next, choose Subscriptions. Here you'll find all the products and services you've purchased from Hostinger. Let's start with the Web Hosting Plan refund. Click on the arrow icon next to your web hosting. Then select Disable Auto Renewal and confirm by clicking Disable Auto Renewal again. Now let's do the same for your domain. Click on the arrow next to your domain name, then choose Disable Auto Renewal and confirm once more. Once both the hosting and domain auto renewals are disabled, go to Homepage of H-Panel and click this chat icon from the bottom. A support menu will appear. After that, you'll be connected to a Hostinger support agent. Simply tell them that you'd like to cancel your hosting and domain and request a refund. The agent will review your account and guide you through the process. Usually, you'll get your refund within a few business days depending on your payment method, and that's it. So that is how you can get refund from Hostinger, so that's all for this video. Thanks.